CFA exam, are you giving it or are you planning to give it? Then the one thing that you definitely need to purchase before your preparation starts is this, the BA 2 Plus Texas instrument, or the financial calculator that is allowed by the CFA Institute. But wait a minute, where can you get this? Where can you get an authentic BA 2 Plus Texas instrument? Let's find out. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling you where can you get the BA 2 Plus Texas instrument, basically the calculator that is allowed for the CFA exam, right? One of the only, I think there are only two calculators that is allowed for the exam, and this is the most popular one. I've been using it since years. I place all my bets in this one, the BA 2 Plus Texas instrument. It is an amazing device, but I know that a lot of people have this confusion ki where to buy it from. In fact, last week itself, I had 2 client calls wherein both of them had the same question, where can we get a good BA 2 Plus Texas instrument? And I was like, इतने लोगों के पास ये सवाल है तो एक वीडियो बनता है, right? So let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so guys, while this calculator is available on online platforms like Amazon also, I think it should be available on Flipkart as well, but I personally would recommend getting it from this shop in Bombay, NM Stationery karke. There's this place in Ville Parle. Mittibai students would know it. I'm gonna put the number also here. That guy is giving an authentic one, right? That's what he like, the piece that he is selling is with warranty. I'm gonna explain to you the whole concept of it. So I actually spoke to him that day ki, you know, what are you selling, what is the warranty system, everything. So behind the package there is a barcode. Okay, you have to scan that barcode, a form opens, you have to fill and register, and your warranty gets activated. As per what I know, it is a 3-year warranty जो मिलता है उसके साथ. Of course there are Chinese ones also which comes cheaper, but उसमें warranty नहीं मिलता. That's why वो Amazon वाले जो sites हैं, you need to be a little careful that are you getting the authentic one or are you getting a fake one. So now, how much is this guy selling it for? Let me quickly tell you. He's selling this BA 2 Plus Texas instrument with warranty, the authentic one, for 3,800. I have requested him if he can give all of you all a discount, so you can try giving my channel name. That's the kind of discussion we've had, but it's a very telephonic conversation, and obviously एक stationery shop है तो वो busy भी हो सकते हैं. But just try giving the name Truly Tanishka. He might give you a 100 rupees discount. Also, he delivers all over India. उसमें एक delivery charge हो जाता है, I think 100 या 200 rupees का, so it'll balance it out. But yeah, 3,800 for this device is an excellent cost. 8 साल पहले मैंने उस प्राइस पे लिया था, so I think it is really a good balance. The same guy is also selling the one without warranty for 3,400 rupees. Personally, I would recommend 400 रुपए के लिए get the one with warranty. I'm not even saying it for the warranty point. Honestly, इतना जल्दी खराब होता नहीं है calculator if you use it well. One, and if you use it frequently, then again वो खराब नहीं होता. Maximum जो होगा उसकी battery drain होती है. That's like the maximum that I've seen. In 8 years, मेरी एक ही बार हुई है, to be very honest. That also when it was not active for a certain period of time. Otherwise कभी नहीं हुई है. But I genuinely just feel that get the authentic one. Purely because I wouldn't trust something जो बोल रहे कि authentic नहीं है in this case. And this is a very long term investment. It's not कि आप सिर्फ CFA level 1 में लोगे, level 2 level 3 में काम नहीं आएगा. नहीं, it's gonna be a constant throughout your CFA journey. If you're getting into core finance, तब भी काफ़ी काम की चीज़ है, right? In fact, drop me a comment below if you want me to teach you calculator tricks like NPV कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, कैश फ्लो कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, मीन मीडियन मोड डायरेक्टली कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं कैलकुलेटर से. इफ दीज थिंग्स आर समथिंग दैट यू वांट टू नो, बेसिकली जस्ट हाउ टू यूज दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट, एंड कमेंट बिलो एंड आई मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दैट soon. So yes, 3,700 का basically he'll give you if you use my channel name. Again, I'm not promising this because it's a very telephonic conversation. आप बात करके देखो and see if he's giving it to you. Otherwise, 3,800 is also not a bad deal. How can you claim the warranty? Again, specifying पैक के पीछे एक बार कोड है, उसको स्कैन करो, फॉर्म फिल करो, अपने आप को रजिस्टर करो, your warranty gets activated. Now, I just want to make one thing very clear before I end this video. Did I buy my calculator from NM Stationery? No, I did not. I bought this calculator 8 years ago. I don't even remember from which online site did I get it, Amazon or Flipkart. A friend of mine had ordered it for me, a senior of mine. So मुझे नहीं पता उसने कहाँ से order किया. I'm guessing it is Amazon or Flipkart because online मंगाया था उसने. But do I trust NM Stationery as a supplier of materials? Yes, I do. I get all my CFA exam related supplies that I needed in terms of the Schweizer or whatever from there. I use that place a lot. I even get a lot of my stationery otherwise from that guy. I have that trust on him, personal trust. Am I saying all this क्योंकि मुझे कोई commission मिल रहा है या क्या? Because last time I made a video, somebody had put this comment, oh she's getting a commission, that's why she's using NM Stationery. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Guys, it is not even logically possible that I can track the sales of a local stationery shop in Bombay who is opposite a college. मतलब सोचो कितना peak पे चल रहा होगा. It is not possible. So if you guys wanna have that trust, then it's fine. Like I said, Amazon पे भी मिलता है. It is there. You just have to double check the warranty or the authenticity of it because Amazon पे बहुत सारे links है. Also Amazon पे the cost goes from like 3,900 to I've even seen one that is 5,000, 7,000. So the cost varies. यहाँ पे एक fixed cost पे आपको मिल रहा है, एक affordable cost पे आपको मिल रहा है. That is why I'm sharing it with you. Please take it in a positive way. And yeah, the video comes to an end. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to help. Also, do let me know if this video was helpful for you. I'd love to hear that because I like finding these, resources or places that even can get you cheap supplies. Cheap matlab cheap valuable supplies. I know you got what I meant. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.